Hey guys, welcome to 342A Stratton Drive. My name is Alec Miles with eXp Realty, your smart Alec Realtor going the extra miles. Now, today I'm pleased to present to you this beautiful 1-4 semi, fully bricked, fully finished. The neighborhood features close proximity to East Lions Park and Argyle Shopping Center. This beautiful semi is totally done. 3 bedrooms upstairs, an additional bedroom downstairs, beautiful hardwoods throughout, and not to mention a beautiful garden out back. Hope you guys enjoy and go take a look.